So, the short version for tracking your lost or stolen Android phone is this. Get on Google and search for Google Find My Phone. Log in, go to the Find Your Phone page, and there's your phone. Make sure to log in with the same account you're using on your phone, of course. Google also has an app called Find Hub that does the same thing. If you have multiple devices, you can download the app and use it to track all your phones, tablets, etc. When you locate your phone, you'll see the battery level, the Wi-Fi network it's connected to, if any, and you can play a sound, secure the device, or factory reset it remotely. Securing the device means it'll be locked with its PIN, pattern, or password, and you'll be notified when the location becomes available, if it isn't already. You can also include a message and phone number that will be displayed on the phone's lock screen. Also, payment cards will be removed from your Google Wallet to prevent unauthorized use. The important part is that your phone is logged to a Google account and location is turned on. If you've disabled location, turned off Find My Device, or removed your Google account, this is not going to work. But depending on your phone model, there's sometimes alternative ways to track a lost or stolen phone. Samsung, for example, has their own tracking, and you can use it simultaneously with Google's tracking. To set up or check if your Samsung tracking is on, you can go to Settings and then go to Security and Privacy. Then tap Lost Device Protection and see if Find My Mobile is enabled. Here you can allow the phone to be found, and you can also have the phone to send last location before going offline. Or use the offline finding, which relies on nearby Samsung devices to send out the phone's location, even when it's not connected to mobile or cellular networks. To locate a lost phone with Samsung's tracking, you can use their app, which is usually pre-installed, and it's simply called Find. Or you can do it through a browser, on any device. Just Google search for Samsung Find, log in with your account, and you'll see your phone tracked. You can play a sound on your phone, set it to extend battery life, put it in lost mode, or erase all data as a last resort if needed. Click the like button if this helped, and good luck tracking your phone. Let me know how it goes.